Actually ask yourself, I wonder what my next thought is going to be. That quiet is you putting your brain in a state of wonder where there's nothing going. Wonder is such a beautiful thing. How many of you have ever seen one of your kids just daydreaming? How many of you are the teacher, and you don't have to raise your hand, but how many of you maybe know a teacher that when they see a child daydreaming, and they're never daydreaming in anger, it's always a look of bliss. And a teacher sees that, and they're like, not on my watch. 2 inches from the kid's face. Doing that. And I'm standing there going like, are you really doing that? Like, seriously? And then the kid's looking like that. Like, focus on me. 1, 2, 3 eyes on me. Pay attention. Why aren't you listening? This is what I do. When I ever see a child doing this, because we still teach yoga karate at a preschool near our house, and I see a kid doing that, I go like this. I go. And the kid's like this. And then I hold space for them. If you don't know what that means, just being. Not trying to fix them, not trying to correct them, just being. And then all of a sudden the kid, and I go, hi. And they go, hey. I'm like, how was your trip? And they go, good.